Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram reel in Canva, full 2026 guide. It's super easy, and yeah, you'll have a professional looking reel in just a few minutes. First, log into your Canva account. Make sure you're using the same account you want to post from. Once you're in, type Instagram reel in the search bar and hit enter. Next, choose a template you like. You know, Canva has tons of ready-made designs, so pick one that fits your style. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. Now comes the fun part, editing. Click on text boxes to add your captions, change fonts or colors, add images, stickers, or icons, anything that matches your Reels theme. You can even upload your own video clips or photos. After customizing, make sure to adjust the timing of each clip. You can click the timeline and drag to change duration or add transitions between scenes for smooth effects. Finally, once everything looks good, click the share or download button. Choose MP4 video format and save it to your device. And yeah, your Instagram reel is ready to upload. And that's it. You've successfully created an Instagram reel in Canva, full 2026 guide. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future Canva tips and tricks.